Okay, it's a little bit echoey here, but I'm like vlogging for the very first time in public. I feel like people are staring at me and I'm getting so much anxiety. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm doing it. Okay, I've been at the airport for like I've been at the airport for 2.5 hours and I've been wanting to pick up my camera ever since, but I really haven't because anxiety. I am terrified, but I literally got to the airport, sat myself in one really ratchet little corner, and yeah, now I'm here waiting till 7:30 in the morning, and I got here at 12, so yeah, 7.5 hours wait for a flight. I know it's a bit excessive and a long wait, but I missed my plane once and I ain't gonna miss it again. Yeah, so I'm just chilling here editing videos, and yeah, I didn't film my travel here. My camera quality at night is atrocious. I did film a little snippet of packing, so I'm gonna show you guys it now. Literally finished packing now. Now, I love watching traveling vlogs because prior to the traveling vlogs, they always like show like what I've packed and stuff like that. You see them arranging it all in their suitcases, life looking all great and organized. Yeah, this is me. Ta-da! It's just all beautiful. Okay, so actually, when you dig in there, digging in, my clothes, it's like in a, okay, digging in, wait, protein powder, you know, keep them fit for the summer. My stuff is like in a vacuum thing, so you vacuum it and it literally, this case would have been like by here, but you know, it's all skinny now. Vacuumed it and then just dumped all my things on top. You can see yoga stuff, makeup, hair stuff, jewelry that is about to all fall out of this thing. But yeah, ooh, supplements. Yeah, that's my that's it. Yeah, I got myself in comfy clothes and I'm just sitting here now. Like I said, I can't believe that I'm filming in public right now. This is absolutely crazy. I feel so silly right now. I said to myself, well, if other people can do it, so can I. But here I am. This is for you guys. So yeah. Bye. Nicht sterben. Okay. Ich will auch nicht sterben. Komm schon, Teichi. Hey. So hey, I've been here for like 3 weeks and didn't really know what to do after the vlog to Germany, but yeah, I'm in Germany now, as you guys would have seen in my last video. And yeah, so I thought I could film a little house tour for you guys and where me and my family live in Germany. So yeah, let's just get into it. This is the main front door, but we're going to start here where we actually enter the place. And you can see this is just quite an open apartment. So we're going to start off in the kitchen and living space, I suppose. So this is the kitchen, as you guys already probably seen in my previous videos. This is my baby sister doing her nails. So my mum does nails at home for people. So this is her little table place thing there. This is the kitchen. Very small, but very cute, I think. Dishwasher we have, so don't really have to wash dishes that much. And yeah, my mom drinks like 5 cups of coffee a day, so that's very important, her being the German woman she is. A lot of pictures on the fridge and a lot of selfies. My mom is really cool, so Snapchat filters, she loves them. This is the dining room table, which Mama cutely decorated. So my mother, she loves decorating. So as you can see, this is a little living space that we have. Couch, a little sofa thing there. So this was decorated from last Christmas, but she decided to keep it on the wall. And then those little guys, we have like 10 of those. Those are like starlight lamp things, which are from IKEA, guys. And we have so much like tea lights and anything we can put tea lights in. Like this little tree that she made herself. She just got branches. Are those real branches? Okay, I'm not sure if they're real or not, but she made that, I think for Christmas too or something, but she decided to keep it anyway because it's really pretty. And again, decoration everywhere. You can kind of tell, this is me, hi. You can kind of tell like this is like pink and white and pictures everywhere. So it's just us 3 women in this house, which is really cute. So you guys can see it's all pretty cute. Now this space is getting converted into a room. This is just my yoga mat right over there and a few other things. More stars, as I already told you guys, and more decoration. Okay, so through here you have our little balcony. So we have barbecues like all the time, and we have a little seating area right over here. Now it's pretty plain out here, not much done, but Mama did hang some really cute, okay, not my mother, my sister hung some really cute light fixtures right there, which is so adorable. I love it. And this is the bathroom in case you guys are interested. Oh, the lights were already on. So we've got the sink area, the bath. The bath is also pink, which I thought was also pretty cute, and the walls again pink, which those walls are purple. And now this is my little sister's room. Techi, as you saw, she is, how old is she? She's 17. She is 17 years old, so this is her cute little room, which when I'm here is our room. Again, she's got a lot of influence from my mother when it comes to her style of decoration. So this is a huge TV, like look at my hand and look at this TV. I never had this kind of TV ever when I was her age or now, being a 21-year-old woman. This is her shisha. I don't even know what this is called. Shisha's thing with all those different flavors. So we have used it a couple of times, which is pretty chill to use outside. Those are all of her bags. More IKEA furniture, like everything, like I said, from IKEA. And again, more stars, more pictures. Oh, we love pictures. We do love pictures. Us when we were little. And this is her little makeup table with me again. So in Mama's room, this one, Mama's got also this one in her room, identical. My personal section in this room is this little bit with my books, my jewelry, as you can see, and these stash of things. We do not know where to place this picture, so right now it's just standing there. But this picture has been with us since I was little, and I can remember since I was 6 years old. And we've lived in several houses, and you know, it's been following us. I feel so like done right now. And before I forget to show you guys, which you've seen in my last video, Our little puppies, they're little chihuahuas. Hello. Hi, little one. Where are you going? Her name is Tiny, and she's a teacup chihuahua. And this little girl, her name is Daisy, and she's just a normal chihuahua, but with long hair. Ja, mein Schatzi, you're fine. Hallo, Honey, come here, come here. Oi, you wanna break the camera, baby? You wanna break the camera? And that was pretty much all for the house tour. I'm here for like 3 more days before I go back to England for my sister's graduation because she just finished uni. Then I'll be a week later coming back to Germany for another month to just spend time with Mama and Techi because I love them both so much. Mwah.
Too, darling.
And then to go back to England and spend another 2 months doing God knows what. So yeah, so I've got a lot of free time. I'm trying to get so much stuff done, like trying to learn a few new things, trying to be healthier, trying to do yoga, trying. Who isn't trying? Huh? Trying. Just trying. You know, you can't complain much. And that's all the update that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video because I surely did. I mean, I did have to clean up the house for like 2 hours before I could film this because it was in quite a state, but oh well, it's home. It's cute. I love it. Yeah, I hope I see you guys in next week's video because there'll be videos weekly. Yeah, there will be. I shouldn't be pointing at you guys. I should be pointing at me. There'll be videos weekly. I am such a weirdo. Okay. So, talk to you guys later. Mwah. Bye.